How to add a video on Figma. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video to your Figma design, a great way to bring prototypes to life. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then go to the top bar and click on the resource icon. Click to the plugins tab, then search for video. Or you can also try popular ones like Anima or Video for Figma. Click install to add it. Once installed, right click on your canvas, go to plugins and select the video plugin you just installed. Now either upload a video file or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link depending on a plugin. Some plugins embed the video directly into your design as a preview frame. Drag and resize the video element just like any other object in Figma. Place it where you want your users to see in the prototype. Click the play button in the top right to enter prototype mode and test your video. You'll see it play just like a real app or website. And that's it. This is how you add a video on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.